If you've been struggling with dry, chapped lips, or maybe you're just looking to try something new that is truly nourishing, this is the video for you. Now, I understand that not everybody has the same goals when it comes to finding the perfect balm. That's why there are so many on the market, just like shampoos and conditioners, lotions, everything else. Some of us have unique lip situations, so I have a variety here of different balms that aren't your typical everyday moisturizer. These provide real results. I have a range of different formulas that I think might be helpful for everyone. I have personally tried all of these. I think these are some of the best rated balms, ointments, and treatments on the market for your lips. So let's get right into it. A few months ago, I jumped on a Korean skincare website, but you don't have to use this site to find this product. You can find it on Amazon. This is the Torriden Lip Essence. And when I tell you, this is a life-changing, softening, conditioning, just perfect all-around balm, or essence rather, for your lips. It's amazing. I made some notes on each of these products so that I can get it right for you guys. This contains ceramides, jojoba oil, seed oil, olive oil, and tree seed oil. It's pretty thin, It reminds me of a Vaseline consistency. It just gives you that immediate relief when your lips are feeling super dry and maybe they're chapped, maybe they're sore, they're red, they're cracked. When they're really damaged, this is a ideal product to use on top. It also says it's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and free of flavor. It's vegan, cruelty-free if that's important to you. And you can find it, like I said, on Amazon for $8 and some change. This isn't the type of balm that you have to reapply all throughout the day. If you're having a severe lip condition, maybe you will need to apply it 3 or 4 times because you're having an issue. But if you don't have an issue and you're just experiencing the typical chapped lips, dry lips, I think you're gonna love this product. I rate this a 10 out of 10, so it is one of my favorites in the lineup and I will always repurchase this. I'm so happy that I found it. It has been life-changing in terms of conditioning and truly nourishing my lips. I have seen a difference and I recommend this to my husband, my kids. Sometimes, we're not just looking for something for our lips as women, but we want something for our sons or brothers or husbands. And I have some products that I think they would really love as well that don't leave any kind of shine or make them feel like they're putting on anything feminine. I think that's why a lot of guys tend to just go for the plain Jane chapstick because they don't want to feel like they're putting a balm or an essence on, So we've got some items for them as well. Now this is a new pick that I recently found a few days ago and I've been testing it out, and it's the Good Light Taste of Space Lip Milk. This is a Korean skincare. I think these are the only 2 Korean ones, I believe. Look at this formula. Look at this applicator, and it comes out white like a lip milk. Can you see that? It's mattifying. It has a really light raspberry scent to it. It's really fast absorbing and the formula is super thin. So as you're applying it, it doesn't feel like you're putting much on the lip. So you kind of can feel an immediate sense of, is this doing anything? But give it a chance because after about 10 minutes, I wanted to reapply it. I thought to myself, this doesn't feel like anything. And I went to reapply it and I was like, wait a minute. And I rubbed my lips together. And I was like, wow, my lips feel conditioned. They feel soft. And I was missing that glossiness. When you put Aquaphor on or Vaseline, you've got that slip that you're looking for, that coating feeling. This doesn't have any of that, but it does have the conditioning, softening, nourishing aspect to it. So I think this would be great for men. Although it comes with this little applicator, I don't think men want to. But maybe if they wanted to put it on their finger and apply, I don't know, it does look very glossy, so maybe they wouldn't want to use it. But the result that they're gonna get is gonna be exactly what they're looking for. And your lips just look really healthy. They get kind of that pinker hue. They looked healthy, that's what it was. This says it improves lip texture and reduces inflammation. It supports the skin barrier, contains mango seed butter, and deeply moisturizes. It's pH balanced and softening. Vegan, cruelty-free, and you can pick this up at Ulta for $12 right now. It's currently on sale. It's usually $16. I've never seen a lip milk, especially something that's matte. Very, very nice. This next one I have talked a lot about. I have shown you guys this in my vlogs and in other lip balm videos that I've done in the past. This is a pristine, high quality product, okay? It's made in Australia. It's called Flexitol, that's the brand. If you have severely dry, severely cracked lips that are painful, that are inflamed, that are blistered almost, that are just in terrible condition, this is what you want to use. Not just because of the fact that it is softening and deeply hydrating, but the fact that it has menthol and something else in it, some other component, which you wouldn't think is good because you're like, menthol on like cracked, dry lips, that would be terrible. No, no, no. This is exactly what you need to give you that immediate relief, that soothing feeling. The pain is starting to go away, that soreness is going away, that burning. This is ideal if you have a serious lip condition. I've been using this for several years and I will always recommend this to everyone. It is glossy. It leaves kind of that glossy finish like a Vaseline would. So if you care about that, I don't know. You could probably look past it if you're in bad shape. Let's see, this says that it is made with 2.5% urea. And I thought, what is urea? It says it's a crystalline compound that breaks down product proteins in all mammals and some fish. It helps to soften dry, crack, or rough skin as a result of eczema, psoriasis, and any other skin condition. It works best if applied when your skin is damp. So maybe just wet your lips a little bit, pat them dry, and then apply this. It's really important to look at ingredients because sometimes the directions don't really tell us how to best use the product according to those ingredients. This prevents peeling, flaking, or itchy lips, and it relieves painfully cracked and chapped lips. It's non-addictive, non-habit forming, contains vitamin E, glycolic acid, aloe, shea butter, and the urea. This is made in Australia. I noticed that a lot of the lip products and sunscreens that I really love, they come from Australia. They know what they're doing over there, down under. You can get a pack of 3 of these on Amazon for about $15. I also use the foot cream, the Flexitol foot cream, and it is amazing. Highly recommend, will always repurchase, 10 out of 10. This next one is very new to me. I've been trying it out for the past several days, and it's the Lanolips 101 Ointment. Now this is an ointment, meaning that it can be used on your lips or other areas of the body. I'm actually gonna go over what the product recommends, different uses of it, but this is a cruelty-free brand, a multifunctional ointment. Typically it's $13.50 at Ulta, but it's on sale for $9.45 currently, also made in Australia. Listen to these claims, you guys. Lanolips took their iconic original 101 ointment, which is the world's best lanolin, and infused it with vitamin E. This super rich 100% natural lip balm penetrates and seals in moisture to give extreme hydration for extremely dry, chapped lips. It's called 101 because it has 101 uses, which include applying it to dry cuticles, cracked heels, dry nasal passages. You know, in the wintertime when it gets so cold in the house and you have your heater blasting and you wake up in the morning and you're just so dry inside and you want to like put Aquaphor in the inside, get a humidifier, whatever it is that you do, but this can be used for that. Mix a tiny bit in your foundation for a natural dewy look. Keep your eyebrows in place. It goes on and on with the different uses of this. It comes in so many different flavors at Ulta. Great product. I used this a few times before playing tennis. It was breezy outside and I never had to reapply once. This is long lasting. Check out how big the hole is there. You just have to squeeze a little bit because it comes out in a huge chunk, which might be useful if you're using it on other areas of the body. But yeah, this smells really nice and very enjoyable overall. Very hydrating, nourishing, all the things that you want. It has that thick coating feeling just like Aquaphor does. And I think this would be wonderful, especially in the winter or those really windy days out. I'm excited for that. Moving on to a lip mask that has been life-changing for me. I really liked using the Laneige. I still use it sometimes, but since I found the Sara Happ Lip Slip Luxe Balm, this has been my go-to. The formula is so thick, you guys. It will last you a very long time. And it has that really classic lipstick smell. Another one that I will always repurchase because it is so good. You wake up in the morning and you just have the feeling that you just applied it. The lips are so soft and so conditioned. I like it better than the Laneige because it does the same thing, but better. it's thicker. And the claims on this is it's infused with chamomile and a natural honey and vanilla, contains hyaluronic acid, fatty acids, jojoba oil, macadamia oil, almond oil, and is this pronounced konjac? Konjac root for deep lip repair. This does everything that it says it will. It will last you a year. You just need a very little bit. This is the creme de la creme of overnight masks. If you haven't tried it, you're welcome. This is gonna change your winter night routine. You can find that on Amazon for $34. Pricier than the other items for sure, but also, like I said, it'll last you, I'm sure, a year. This is a nice one too. Do you guys enjoy the Essence lip glosses that you can pick up from Ulta? I like the brand because they're so affordable, and they have a super balm glossy lip treatment. And this is not a typical gloss. It is a lip balm nourishing formula that has the lip gloss experience. It has that classic doe foot applicator that is really thick, so you can just, you know, I love the big ones that just coat your lips quickly. It claims to hydrate for up to 10 hours. And after trying this for a full day, I only reapplied one time. So I would say maybe 8 to 10 hours. Yeah, I didn't feel any kind of need to reapply. I maintained a glossy shine, but it was doing the thing it was supposed to do. It was providing a purpose. It was softening, conditioning, helping my lips throughout the day. I was outside again while using this one. It was windy. To reapply one time, that's very good to me. It's infused with shea butter and vitamin E. It's cruelty-free, and you can pick it up at Ulta for $4.99. Very, very affordable. And if you just like the whole process of applying a lip gloss, but you want it to do so much more and last so much longer than their standard gloss, you're really gonna love this. I can see myself repurchasing this in the future as well. When I saw La Roche-Posay had a lip balm, I really like their products. So I thought, let's check it out. It is the, oh, I don't even know how to say that, and I'm not gonna try because I feel so silly when I don't get it right. I'll have it linked in the description below, plus here it is right here. This formula says that it's lightweight and non-greasy. I would agree with that for all of these products. It hydrates extremely dry lips and softens, contains panthenol, enriched with MP lipids, fragrance-free, made in France. You can get it at Ulta for $10, but right now it's currently on sale for $7.49. So if you want to check it out, you can get a nice sale price. This is another formula that just takes a little bit. You kind of have that Vaseline consistency. Hopefully you can see it there, but very, very thick. It takes very little product. And yeah, I would compare this to Aquaphor. Maybe not as shiny, but in terms of the weight of it, the slip, all of that. I would skip this one, not because it's a bad product, but because I don't really see a difference between this and using Aquaphor. Somebody else may have a different experience. It amazes me how people can have such complete opposite experiences on one product. That's why I wanted to show you guys a range of the best sellers on the market right now. Because you might be looking for something different in the formula, or you might have a specific problem, but not special. It's not unique, it's not different, but it works. So if you trust this brand and you can find it on sale, why not use it? Because it's very good. Moving right along. I have two left, you guys. I have spoke of my favorite night balm several times in the past and several vlogs because it is my favorite night balm, and it's funny that that is the name of this product. You can get this on Amazon for $8.99. It provides 8-hour overnight recovery. It's not tested on animals. It has this really great light vanilla scent that's faded, like it's very faint. It's not overwhelming, but it's so nice. You kind of put it on and you're like, oh wait, what is that? It lingers this vanilla. I don't know how to explain it, but it's such a good scent. And this does what the Laneige mask does. I get the same result. I love the fact that this one is in a tube. I could also use it throughout the day and I don't have to use my finger or the little applicator. This is more affordable, more convenient overall in my opinion. Not tested on animals, contains shea butter and vitamin E, and that's pretty much all I could really find on this product. They don't really say a lot. I don't think they really have to. The brand speaks for itself. It's been around for a long time and it does the job. A lip mask in a tube. Very, very good one that I will continue to repurchase for years to come. Our last lip balm is actually more of a gloss, I guess. It's the Lancome Juicy Tubes Original This is in the scent Marshmallow Electro. Oh, it is so marshmallowy and sweet, so good. I really enjoyed using this over the summer. It has a glossy, or glittery rather, sparkle to it. It makes your lips look plump and beautiful and just oof. But it has that silicone cushiony feeling. If you're somebody who really likes to feel that cushion when you press your lips together, this is ideal. That's why I wanted to add it, because I think it's kind of a gloss and balm in one. Very hydrating, very nourishing, very long lasting. And I think it's underrated, but that's my opinion. I've had really good results with this, and maybe somebody else wouldn't. To each their own, right? This says it's long wearing, hydrating, without parabens. You get hydration for up to 4 hours, contains vitamin E, and you can pick it up at Sephora for $25. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on. So I have a lipstick on right now, but I don't like to make it discolored with my lipstick, so I always put it on my finger. See, some people hate that feeling and some people adore it. I am one of those. That cushiony, long-lasting feel. It's so addictive and so good. I really love this. It comes in a range of flavors and colors. Definitely worth the $25 to me. That's one that I will continue to repurchase. That's all of them, guys, depending on your lip needs, depending on how chapped and dry your lips are, depending on what texture you like. I hope that you found something that you'd like to try in this video, something that sounded like it could change your lip game when it comes to the cold weather, because that was the point of this whole video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by leaving me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.